For this video, I want to make a few melodies with Omnisphere, or Keyscape really. Jump into some of these keys presets and try and post-process it, try and make a few melodies. Electric pianos. I'll just start with this one for now and write a melody. So with the keys, just to make it sound a bit more human-like, I'm going to offset some of these notes. Let's make the bass notes a little bit lower in velocity. Let's do the same here. There we go. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just make an effects chain, and then I might scroll through some presets, some more presets, try and find a sound that sits right. I'm going to bring in some reverb now. Just group the reverb and create another chain. Make this one the dry channel. And then this one's the reverb. Might come down here to the ambience preset. This one's pretty nice. Just give it a bit more of a sense of space. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of OTT after this. I'll group this whole thing. Now what I want to do is come into Shaperbox 3. What I might do, I might even double that up. Turn the noise down a little bit. Yeah, just gives it a little bit more space, a little bit more grit. Okay, now that I've got that effects chain, cool technique is just to duplicate it out and then just start scrolling through presets with the same chain on. That one's pretty nice. That's cool. Alright, jump into Arcade, try and find a vocal to sit over the top of these keys. Put some reverb and delay as well. Take a few more of the lows out. Ooh. double this bit out for the second part. I'm going to make these keys a little bit more simple, just because they're clashing a little bit with the vocal. Okay, I might make all these ones on the beat too. Just a bit cleaner. Maybe I'll go into this effects chain that I had on the keys and put it on these horns down here. Not bad. Okay, so for this video, instead of just making sounds from scratch in Serum, I thought I'd bring up Keyscape and try and process some live sounds and see what that sounded like. So I end up with this Rhodes LA Custom Univibe preset, and that sounds like this without all the effects. It's a nice sound. Then bring the effects in. Just brings it to life. Got a bit of reverb, a bit of OTT, shaper box here with the drive and the noise. Console drive, that's a cool preset for these sorts of sounds. And then just a bit of delay. And that's about it. Without. With. Ooh. Beautiful. All right, I'll give it a play through now and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.